All right. Sounds great. Thank you so much, Christine. Hello, everybody out there. This is another sound check for Irish Night at Blue live stream concert series. Uh, Very happy for this Wednesday coming up, Wednesday, December 16th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. We're presenting for the first time at Irish Night at Blue with Christine Hedden on the fiddle and the guitar and the vocals. Welcome, Christine. It's great to have you. Thank you for doing this.
Thanks for having me.
We are pleased. We had Christine scheduled to come with Quavine O'Farrell, who we had on a little while ago, back in November. Um, and of course, COVID happened, so we had Quavine separately from Ireland, and Christine's coming to us live from Boston this Wednesday. So we're catching up with all of our canceled acts, one way or the other. And we got two more for the season, folks. We got this one and Sean Gavin and friends the week after on the 23rd, and then we're gonna go dark for a little while, and we'll see what happens in 2021. Come back and check on us once in a while. We may start up again at some point, and we're definitely going to be having Hornpipe Night 4 on February 3rd for the Irish Night 15th birthday at Blue. Not in person, unfortunately, but we'll be doing virtual Hornpipe Night that night. If you don't know what that is, then you don't know what you're missing. But we're very happy this week to present Christine for the first time. A wonderful fiddle player, also composes a lot of music, makes a lot of original music and songs, and we're going to hear a little bit of all that, I believe, right?
You bet.
And so, you want to give us a little sample of what we might hear next week now?
Sure, yeah.
All right, take it away.
Sure.
All right, excellent. Thank you very much. A
Thank
couple
you.
tunes by Christine Hedden there for you folks. Coming up live on December 16th. That's next Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You can find that on the Irish Night at Blue channel on either Facebook or YouTube. You don't need a link. Just go to the one of those pages and click on the video with the little arrow, and it'll start playing for you. You can watch it live or you can watch it after the fact. Please join us on the chat. Let us know you're there and give us some good comments that I can pass on to Christine at halftime. And like I said, a couple more. So come and check it out, and check out a new fiddler for at least the Portland, Maine folks, somebody we haven't seen before. So thank you again, Christine. Thanks for joining us today and giving us a sample.
Thank you. Thanks for having me and for
All
all.
right, everybody. We'll see you next week. We'll see you on Wednesday.